Whether it's the single stroke roll or the double stroke roll, I'm a big believer in stick heights. Stick heights are part of the process of having the stick in the right place at the right time. They also help us deliver accents. They also help us deliver dynamics, finesse, power. So I work on stick heights quite a lot through many different exercises, just almost like to check myself. So I will use different parts of the kit. For instance, let's say, I want everything, I want each single stroke to come above the hi-hat. I want each single stroke to come below the hi-hat. The tom-tom, higher or lower. And I'll work on different tempos and different speeds and rhythmical variations above the cymbal, bringing those sticks right up. You'll always find an application for these strange investigation practice techniques